Hi, Eric. That's a big development here. We were just hours away from the deportation raids. It got a lot of blowback from Democratic lawmakers and elected officials around the country, and protests set to begin here in Los Angeles and nationwide. House Speaker Nancy Pelosi writing in a statement calling on the president to cancel the raids moments ago. Here's what she had to say. Families belong together. These families are hard-working members of our communities and our country. The president's action makes no distinction between a status violation and committing a serious crime. She goes on to say yesterday the president spoke about the importance of avoiding the collateral damage of 150 lives in Iran. She says, I would hope he would apply that same value to avoiding the collateral damage to tens of thousands of children who are frightened by his actions. The raids were expected to target about 2,000 families in 10 cities, including Los Angeles, San Francisco, Atlanta, Baltimore, Chicago, and Houston. Mayors in some of these cities reminding immigrant communities of their legal rights and protections. Democratic California Governor Gavin Newsom called Trump's proposed raids cruel and misdirected. Remember, California is a so-called sanctuary state, so limited cooperation with ICE agents here. Eric?
All right, Christina. Meanwhile, critics are saying that ICE raids, they would break up families and be very unfair. But the president says that it is about deporting dangerous criminals, people who have already been deported before. What's the conflict?
Right. That's exactly what President Trump said. He said these people would have been apprehended already, and they have been ordered to be deported. So these are people who have not left the country yet. He also says the raids would have helped make cities safer.
Well, some cities are going to fight it, but if you notice, they're generally high-crime cities. If you look at Chicago, they're fighting it, and you look at other cities, they're fighting it. Many of those cities are high-crime cities, and they're sanctuary cities. We're very focused. These are fantastic people. We're very, very focused on getting MS-13 out of this country.
Los Angeles Mayor Eric Garcetti strongly opposed the raids. Here's what Garcetti had to say about it just moments ago.
Of course, there should be some people that we go after who are truly dangerous. But taking a grandmother, a breadwinner, a parent away from children, that seems to be immoral. And now it's not even something apparently the administration knows how to pull off.
Also going on right now, about 35 or 40 members of an activist group called Occupy ICE LA are at a downtown LA detention center to bring more awareness to this issue.